Mama Jesus, Madam Theresa so all the way from Abagana. Welcome, of course.
Right. Why am I Mama Chiamaka from Isokuma?
Isokuma. I like when he said that.
Yes, Isokuma. Very beautiful.
Very beautiful indeed. The last time you joined us on Dialect Exchange, you know, the mother like a clear air. Hey, we loved you so much. I like can do you know. So, how has the experience been growing up in Isokuma?
Very nice. You know.
That's okay. That's okay. Okay, so welcome to another episode of Dialect Exchange. Now I'm gonna assume, you know, Isokuma, Ebonyi State, and I'll be speaking Anambra. The first word. Oh, coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut, yes.
Very nice. Very sweet. If you don't call it okpo, it won't be sweet.
It won't be sweet. Very,
very, very.
It did not do well on isi akoyibo. That's what we call it. Akoyibo. Koi. Anybody needs it. Sorry, my sister. It's akoyibo. Akoyibo. When I'm running up here akoyibo. Oh yes, coconut akoyibo. I'm like pop.
No problem.
Hey. Chimo. The next thing is a statement. Yeah, I want to brush my teeth.
Very simple. And then you
Antori Chueze na chio na boso. Anyway, when the new na ha choice says, you know, in Anambra, when the new na ha choice says, when the new na ha choice tattoo, you know, ha choice tattoo also implies brushing of teeth.
Okay, but it doesn't look mature. If you say very, very thick and mature, yes.
Oh yes. Unlike you, because you don't look thick and mature. Okay, see me. Okay, see how one you buy. The next word.
Okay.
Oh, water.
Water.
Mini. Guinea.
Mini.
Mini. M-I-N-I.
Obomkwem mini. Yes.
Mini.
Mini.
Mini. Hey.
Very nice language.
Very awkward, but nice indeed. If I know mili, kunya mili manwa. No, the chapter say kunya mili mala. Ala mili ala. How can not just say? Kunya mili mala.
Mili mala.
What's the ego? Kunya mili na to mila mili. What's the ego? The next, marriage or wedding.
Marriage or wedding. Igba ekwa. Oh,
igba ekwa bụ wedding.
Igba ekwa wedding.
Marriage, I believe again.
Igba mfu.
Well, there are similarities there. If anyone is traditional marriage, igba nkwụ.
We say igba mfu.
Okay.
Igba mfu.
Yes. Anyone ekuzi agbamakwụkwọ. That's when you now talk about like the wedding. Agbamakwụkwọ. Okay. So we have this now. Oh, wall. Kekun si ekwu wall.
No, mgboro na ogam.
Mgboro gịnị?
Mgboro ụnọ.
Mgboro ụnọ bụ wall.
Ma dịka abeso ma mgboro ụnọ.
So, ekeketa nwa ibata be mmadụ. Onye ahụ asị gị, do not lean on my wall. Kekin si ekwu.
Adabekwa mgboro ụnọ.
Adabekwa na mgboro ụnọ m.
Yes, very, very, very. You know that the person mean what you're saying. Yes.
Mara pe ba araja. Araja. Dadebelum na araja ahụ. Don't lean on my wall. Araja. Don't you like how it sounds?
No.
You don't like how it
won't look serious.
It won't look serious.
No.
Just like you don't. Otiegu. It's gini. Whatever. The final one. The final word. I just see open. Hey, fancy to see a logo for Itabiaka mini. Okay, it's not so the last episode. This now
my favorite.
So in the look na over.
That's my favorite soup.
So how do you call it?
Offer.
Gini ba offer? No offer gini. Gini ka offer say we me begin. Offer.
Chiamaka go tram offer. Bobo tram offer.
Is a lie. Hey, if I want to be okra. Okra. See no for okra. I want to go for okra eba in it.
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
With hot eba.
Oh. Na need it just like in a okay me. I don't have time now, right? I think still coding. I don't have time now. Release you the back. If you go Chiamaka before. Oh, Chiamaka, why? What the I come for when she was a child? How is she?
I don't even want you to see her now.
Makagini.
Before we kidnap boy. Oh yes.
I'm going to ignore that you just said Nangi kidnap Maggie. Give me GM. Oh, so thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on yet another episode of Dialect Exchange. My guest has been rather wonderful. Hey, man, so cool, man. Mommy Chiamaka, Chiamaka Biko. Thank you so much. And of course, my name is Madam Theresa, so all the way from Abagana. Go ahead.
Bye-bye.